this short video of the ThinkWare's Cohesion PEO ASO software, this one's designed for showing multi-threading and really efficient multi-processing and payroll. So the whole idea is that the machine time is very limited, and you can use your tools within the product itself and within web browsers, multiple tabs, etc., to be able to be very efficient. You're never sitting there staring at a screen is the whole idea. So I already logged into Cohesion. I'm on my payroll dashboard. But let's jump over to my payroll cockpit. And the way I've got it set up, it's going to pop open in a separate tab here. So I've got a bunch of payrolls. If you watch any other videos, you'll understand this. These are the payrolls associated with this user that I need to run today as a payroll person. There's about 10 payrolls or whatever, however many that are sitting there. And let's just go ahead and kick them off. So I can come in and just click them all off if I want to, or multi-select them and get them all processing. And while they're processing, by the time I finish the last one, the first one was already done. But let's say I kind of want to keep this screen open because I want to kind of lock down into one payroll. I can just open another payroll cockpit. It's all still refreshing right in front of me on the screen. So if I want to go ahead and take a look at this one payroll right here, I've jumped in and I can see the payroll review for these 5 employees right here. And I can continue on the process. And meanwhile, while that's completing, I can jump over, go back to here, and take a look at another payroll. Well, I noticed, by the way, this one finished in the meantime, so this payroll is now ready for the invoice. So I can come over here and look at the invoice if I want, jump back over to this payroll, and do the same thing. So I can have multiple tabs be running payrolls at the same time, so as actually looking and diving into the payrolls themselves. And I want to kind of keep those two open because I want to come back to them later. But let's go take a look at what's been going on in my main cockpit. And we can see all the payrolls are done. They're all done to the steps that I want them to go to. So just for volume's sake, let's take a look at how many employees were there. So, there are a couple big ones. There were 175 employees here. They were all hard check employees, and we have 98 employees that were processed in this one, mixture of hard checks and hybrid checks and direct deposits, and 10 employees here. So all told, probably about 300 employees across 8 or 9 payrolls. Ran in probably less than 30 to 45 seconds to get to all those payrolls. So the whole idea is that I can be really as efficient as I want to be. I can run multiple payrolls at the same time. I can pop them open in a separate tab. So if I'm looking at something and I need to do another task, I don't need to close out this window. I can simply open up another window if I want to. Whether I want to write a report, look at an employee list, go back to my main payroll cockpit, whatever it might be, I can have as many tabs open as I want. And because of the way we do the refreshing, everything always refreshes on all the screens as I make changes. So thank you for today.